Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the EA launcher not launching games problem. Let's fix it guys. Go to search menu and type date and time. Comes up date and time settings. Click on open it. You just need to turn on the set time automatically and scroll down and select sync now. Select the option to sync now. After getting done, you just need to close stuff here and restart your PC and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the second step guys. The second step is to clear cache in EA app. To do this, you just need to open up EA launcher and select the three slash icon on the left top and select help and select app recovery, and you will be get this pop-up. Select the clear cache option. After clearing the cache, you just need to check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the third step guys. The third step is to run the EA app as administrator. To do this, go to search menu and type EA launcher, and you just need to right click on the EA app and select open file location. In here you need to right click on the EA app and select properties. Select compatibility tab and check mark run this program as an administrator and select apply and OK. Now you just need to launch the application and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the fourth step guys. The fourth step, you just need to go to search menu and type percentage local app data percentage again. Comes up a file folder, click on open it. In here you need to search for EA desktop and EA desktop and electronic arts. You just need to right click on these both folder and select delete it guys. If the folder is not be deleted, then you just need to close the EA launcher just like this. Right click on it and select exit. Now select try again. Select try again. This will clear the EA apps cache files guys. Just close stuff here and launch the EA launcher and you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these steps fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.